Hey, first grade, this will be math lesson 122. If you remember in math lesson 121, we practiced and did the, say with me, hip hip array. Well, we're going to do a little more about arrays. We're going to write number sentences for arrays, and you'll probably already guess they're going to be very similar how we labeled the array. All right, so if I show you this array right there. Hello, array. Hello, Mrs. Wilson. How will we label this array? First question, how will we label this array? Well, the first thing we're going to do is look at the number of rows we see. How many rows are in this array? That's right, we have 3 rows. 1, 2, 3. And how many in each row? That's right, 5. So if we label this array as a 3 by 5 array, we would label it like this, a 3 by 5 array. But we can also turn it right into a number sentence. If I have 3 groups of 5, what do I have? That's right, 15. Okay, so that is 15. What if I show you this array? How many rows? It's really dirty. How many rows? 1, 2, 3, 4 rows. How many in each row? That's right, 2. So this would be a 4 by 2 array. How many tiles would be in that array? Well, what's 4 times 2? Or 4 plus 4? That's right, 8. Good job, 8. All right, this is much bigger. How many rows in this array? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 rows. How many in each row? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's right, 6. So we could label this row as a 5 by 6 array, or turning it into a number sentence. What is 5 times 6? Yeah, we can count 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, or first grade, if you're thinking about the clock, and you think 5 times 6, where's the 6? Yeah, at 30 minutes, right? So that's kind of another way to remind us that that is 30. All right, good work. Let's keep going. What if I showed you this? Well, I put it on the page. What if I showed you this array? That's right. How many rows? 2. How many in each row? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we would label this as a 2 by 7 array, or what is 2 times 7? Or 7 plus 7. That's right, 14. We would have used 14 tiles in that array. Let's try another one. How many? I got these a little close. How many rows? That's right, 3 rows. How many in each row? That's right, 4. So we could label this array as a 3 by 4 array. And what is 3 times 4? Sing it with me. 3, 6, 9, 12. That's right, we use 12 tiles to make that array. And let's look at another one. How many rows do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. That's right, 5 times how many in each row? That's right, there are 3 in each row. So we could label this array as a 5 by 3 array, or what is 5 times 3? Ooh, nice job, first grade. You guys are quick on the math. Now, sometimes people draw shapes or letters instead of squares to make an array. So let's look at a few examples of that. What if I showed you this array? What do you see? Yeah, how could we write a number sentence for this? How many rows do we have? 3. How many in each row? 2. How many are there all together? That's right, 6. Okay, what if they used triangles as their array? How many rows do you see? That's right, 2 rows times how many in each row? Times 5 in each row. What is 2 times 5? That's right, 10. And nice work. What if they used smiley faces? What if they used smiley faces? Well, it didn't change much. Let's count the number of rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's right, 6 rows. How many in each row? That's right. How are we going to count? Let's count by 3. Sing with me. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. That's right. A 6 by 3 array would mean we use 18 smiley faces. Okay? So, writing a number sentence would be taking the number of rows times the number in each row to see how many we used all together. Now, this particular guided practice, let's take a look, see if there's anything we want to do together. Oh, I'll let you work on number 1. Well, no, let's do number 1. We haven't done number 1 in a while. The children in Mrs. Carlisle's class read 337 books. Wow, that's a lot of books. Well, the children in Mrs. Buter's class read 284 books. How many, here's our question, how many books did the children in 2 classes read all together? Well, how many in Miss Carlisle's class? 337. We need this for our number sentence. All together means an addition, some more, plus the 284 from Mrs. Buter's class. All right, we know it's easier to solve if we turn it vertical. So here we go. 337 plus 284. Make sure your numbers are right, because if you write them down wrong, you're going to get it wrong. So always double check. Say it with me. Always add your ones first. What is 7 plus 4? That's right, 11, the 1 comes down, the 10 moves next door. What's 3 plus 8? 11 plus 1, 12, the 2 comes down, the 100 moves next door. What's 3 plus 2 plus 1? So, how many books did the children in the 2 classes read all together? 621. Answer 621. What's our label? How many books? That's our label. Not children, not classes, but books. Number 2, write number sentences for these arrays. Number 2, how many rows in this array? That's 2. It's a 2 by how many in each row? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 times 7. What is 7 plus 7? That's right, 14. Nice work. All right, let's take a look at this array. If you wanted to label it, you could say 2 and 7. How many rows here? 1, 2, 3, 4. He's 4 by 3. What is 4 times 3? Say it with me. 3, 6, 9, 12. You guys are speedy. And I'm going to let you finish the rest with Mom. Okay, thanks first grade. That was lesson 122 in math.